Welcome to another episode of Weekly Current Affairs. Let's start with the first question. What are the new legal guidelines proposed by the government related to time references? A. National Time Standardization Act. B. Legal Metrology Indian Standard Time Rules 2025. B. Legal Metrology Indian Standard Time Rules 2025. C. India Time Regulation Act. D. Precision Time Guidelines 2025. The correct answer is option B. Legal Metrology Indian Standard Time Rules 2025. The government has proposed the Legal Metrology Rules 2025 to formalize the use of IST for legal and commercial purposes. Question 2. Where were the new births of a red-necked wallaby joey and an Indian mouse deer observed? A. Hyderabad Zoo. B. Vishakhapatnam Zoological Park. C. Bengaluru Zoo. D. Delhi Zoo. The correct answer is option B. Vishakhapatnam Zoological Park. The red-necked wallaby joey and the newborn Indian mouse deer were both born at Indira Gandhi Zoological Park in Vishakhapatnam. Question 3. How many Indian students were evacuated from northern Iran in the first step of Operation Sindhu? A. 50. B. 75. C. 100. D. 110. The correct answer is option D, 110. India launched Operation Sindhu to evacuate Indian nationals from Iran amidst growing fears of military strikes. The first step of Operation Sindhu involved evacuating 110 Indian students from northern Iran. Question 4. Which US-made aircraft is capable of delivering the GBU-57A/B MOP bomb? A. F-16 fighter jets. B. B-2 stealth bombers. C. F-22 Raptors. D. C-130 transport aircraft. The correct answer is option B. B-2 stealth bombers. The GBU-57A/B MOP bomb can only be delivered by the US-made B-2 stealth bombers, which are capable of reaching and deploying this massive bomb. Question 5. What is the validity period of the new FASTag-based annual pass? A. 1 year or 200 trips. B. 1 year or 100 trips. C. 2 years or 150 trips. D. 6 months or 100 trips. The correct answer is option A. 1 year or 200 trips. The FASTag-based annual pass will be valid for 1 year from the date of activation or up to 200 trips, whichever comes first. Question 6. In which category did IIT Delhi rank 50th in the QS World University Rankings for 2026? A. Citations. B. Academic reputation. C. Employer reputation. D. Sustainability. The correct answer is option C. Employer reputation. IIT Delhi ranked 50th in employer reputation, contributing to its rise in the QS World University Rankings for 2026. Question 7. Which state scored the lowest in the PGI 2.0 report for 2023-24? A. Assam. B. Meghalaya. C. Jharkhand. D. Bihar. The correct answer is option B. Meghalaya. Meghalaya scored the lowest with 417 points, falling into the Akanshi 3 category, which has a score range between 401 and 460. Question 8. How many awards did The Hindu win at WAN Infra Digital Media Awards 2025 South Asia? A. 5. B. 7. C. 10. D. 12. The Hindu won 10 awards across various categories at the WAN Infra Digital Media Awards 2025 South Asia. Question 9. What type of natural disaster is Mount Levotobi Laki associated with? A. Earthquake. B. Tsunami. C. Volcanic eruption. D. Cyclone. The correct answer is C. Volcanic eruption. Mount Levotobi Laki erupted, releasing ash clouds and forcing evacuations, which is characteristic of a volcanic eruption. Question 10. Who has been appointed as the first female head of MI6? A. Stella Remington. B. Eliza Manningham Buller. C. Sir Richard Moore. D. Blaise Maitreville. The correct answer is option D. Blaise Maitreville. Blaise Maitreville has been appointed as the first female chief of MI6, taking over from Sir Richard Moore. Question 11. Where were the 24 million year old fossilized leaves of Nothopegia plant genus discovered? A. Assam's Makum coalfield. B. Western Ghats. C. Himalayas. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A. Assam's Makum coalfield. The fossilized leaves of Nothopegia plant genus were discovered in the coal beds of Assam's Makul coalfield, shedding light on South Asia's ancient biodiversity. Question 12. Which product became the first ever feni to receive a geographical indication tag in India? A. Ozo feni. B. Cashew feni. C. Coconut feni. D. Goa feni. The correct answer is option A. Ozo feni. Ozo feni, produced by Kaskar Distillery in Goa, became the first ever feni to receive a GI tag in India. Question 13. What is Lucknow's nomination to the UNESCO Creative Cities Network for 2023? A. City of Literature. B. City of Music. C. City of Gastronomy. D. City of Crafts and Folk Arts. The correct answer is option C. City of Gastronomy. Lucknow has officially submitted its nomination to become a City of Gastronomy in the UNESCO Creative Cities Network. Question 14. What was India's unemployment rate for persons aged 15 years and above in May 2025? A. 4.5%. B. 5.1%. C. 5.6%. D. 6.9%. The correct answer is option C. 5.6%. India's unemployment rate for persons aged 15 years and above increased to 5.6% in May 2025 from 5.1% in April. Question 15. What is the conservation status of Portulaca Bharat according to the International Union Conservation of Nature Red List? A. Critically endangered. B. Vulnerable. C. Endangered. D. Data deficient. The correct answer is option D, data deficient. Portulaca Bharat has been provisionally assessed as data deficient due to the limited knowledge of its populations and specific habitat requirements. Question 16. When is World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought observed annually? A. June 5. B. July 17. C. June 15. D. June 17. The correct answer is option D, June 17. World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought is observed annually on June 17 to raise awareness about desertification and drought. Question 17. How many countries globally have been entrusted with securely holding rinderpest virus-containing material? A. 6. B. 3. C. 10. D. 12. The correct answer is option A. 6. India is one of the 6 countries globally entrusted with securely holding rinderpest virus-containing material. Question 18. What was the theme of 2025 UN Ocean Conference? A. Protecting marine life for future generations. B. Our Ocean, Our Future, United for Urgent Action. C. Oceans for Sustainable Development. D. Clean Oceans, Sustainable Future. The correct answer is option B. Our Ocean, Our Future, United for Urgent Action. The theme of 2025 UN Ocean Conference was Our Ocean, Our Future, United for Urgent Action, reinforcing global commitments to SDG 14, that is life below water. Question 19. Which Indian state is home to wild populations of all 3 native crocodilian species? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Odisha. D. Kerala. The correct answer is option C, Odisha. Odisha is the only Indian state that hosts wild population of all 3 native crocodilian species, gharial, magar crocodile and saltwater crocodile. Question 20. Where is Shipkila Pass located? A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Uttarakhand. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Sikkim. The correct answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Shipkila Pass is located in Himachal Pradesh, specifically in the Kinnaur district along the India-China border.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.